Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Rockstar Editor GTA 5 Xbox One updated. Start by updating GTA 5 to the latest version and reboot your console. Open Story Mode and verify you have saved progress and at least 10 GB free space. Locate the Rockstar Editor option in the pause menu after completing or loading a mission, then record clips and enter the editor to stitch scenes together. In this video, I will show how to get Rockstar Editor GTA 5 Xbox One updated. First, check for updates in the Xbox dashboard and install them fully. Launch GTA 5 and load story mode, not online, then make a manual save. Play or replay a mission or roam to generate recent clips, and use the recording prompt to capture moments. Access the pause menu to select Rockstar Editor and import your clips for editing. In this video, I will show how to get Rockstar Editor GTA 5 Xbox One updated. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes your edits sound better and keeps your workspace lively while you work. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Rockstar Editor GTA 5 Xbox One updated. Keep your edits simple at first by trimming clips and arranging scenes on the timeline. Use built-in camera controls and color filters to set the mood, and add music from the game or your capture library. Preview in full before exporting and choose an export resolution your console can handle to avoid lag during rendering and playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.